I have worked here for 15 years. Today, the office feels very different and very strange. I need to finish this report. It is important to be accurate. I hope I remember how.
Good morning, Mike. Are you ready to see the new update? It makes everything much faster now.
I prefer to take my time. Speed is not everything. Accuracy is the most important part here.
Look at this, Mike. The AI just flagged your report. It says the data structure is obsolete.
Obsolete? I have used this data for 15 years. My work is very accurate and good.
It is accurate, but it is slow. The new system does this in only 4 seconds.
4 seconds? That is impossible. You cannot check the quality of work in 4 seconds, Leo.
The machine checks it for you. Here, let me reprompt the system for your old files.
No, thank you. I do not need a prompt. I need my brain and my experience.
They do not need my history anymore. They only need a fast finger and a box.
Am I too old for this office? Everyone is moving so fast. I feel very heavy.
You look tired, Mike. You are treating that new software like a scary enemy, not a tool.
It is not a tool, Tom. A screwdriver helps you. This software wants to replace my job.
It only replaces you if you stop learning. In this country, we value lifelong learning very much.
Lifelong learning sounds difficult. I am tired of being a student. I want to be the expert.
The day you stop being a student is the day you actually become old and obsolete.
Do not hide your confusion. Claim your progress. Say the words, I am learning to use it.
I am learning to use it. It feels strange to say. But maybe you are right, Tom.
I will try one more time. I have the knowledge. I just need a new delivery system. I am learning to use it, one step at a time. It is not so scary.
Wait, you found a mistake in the AI data?
I know the history of this company. The machine only knows the numbers, not the people. I only look at the speed. You look at the meaning.
Experience plus new tools. It is a very strong combination. I am finally starting to see.
Am I too old for this office? Everyone is moving so fast. I feel very heavy now.
They do not need my history. They just need a fast finger. I am obsolete today, Tom.
A prompt. That is all they want. One click and the work is done. It is wrong.
I am losing my place here. The paper is gone. The meaning is gone. I am lost.
No. I am not lost. I am just in the middle of a very long bridge now.
I am learning to use it, one step at a time. It is not so scary now.
The old data is now in the new system. It looks clean and it looks very good.
You are doing it, Mike. You are faster than the AI because you actually know the answers.
I want to learn how you spotted that error earlier.
Tomorrow will be a good day. I am ready to teach, and I am ready to learn.
The software is just a language. I am learning the words. Now I can speak to it.
Have a good night, Mike. See you tomorrow for our training session. Do not work too late.
The silence is good. I can think clearly now. My experience is finally working with the machine.
I am doing this for them. I am showing them that their father can still change and grow.
The first day is over. I am tired, but I am not afraid. Tomorrow, I will be better.
The manager wants to see me. This is the moment. I must show him my new progress.
Mike, we need to talk about your performance. The data shows some very interesting changes.
I am ready, Mr. Harrison. I have worked very hard to understand the new delivery system lately.
Your speed was low last week, but your accuracy is now the highest in the entire department.
I realize that speed is good, but meaning and accuracy are what the clients really need most.
The young interns are fast, but they miss the errors that you found yesterday morning, Mike.
The machine can see the data, but it cannot see the context of our client's long history.
I agree. We were focusing too much on speed. We almost lost the human touch, Mike. I want you to lead the new quality control team.
Thank you, sir. I am happy to help. Learning new things has given me a new life. I am back. The meeting went very well. Now it is time to start our new work.
You look different, Mike. Did the manager like the report? Tell me what he said to you.
He liked the accuracy. Now I will teach you how to see the details inside the data.
I see it now. The AI missed that completely. You really do have a very special gift.
We work together now. My experience and your speed will make this company the best in town.
I am no longer afraid of the future. The machines are just tools for my own hands.
Thank you for the help today, Mike. You saved my project and you saved my whole week.
The day is finished and I am happy. I have learned and I have taught others today.
I am an expert who is always learning. That is the secret to a long and happy life.
Life is a very big school. I am happy to be a student and a teacher now.
Mike learned a very important lesson today. He learned that change is not an enemy to fear.
In the modern world, we must keep our old skills while we learn the new digital tools.
Lifelong learning is the bridge. It connects our past experience to our future success in every job.
Do not be afraid to be a student again. Even an expert must start at page 1.
Thank you for watching Mike's journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you very soon.